Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in TurboTax account. So if you also want to log in TurboTax account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in turbotax.intuit.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of TurboTax. From here you'll be able to file your taxes with expert help. You can get help from tax experts as you go and finish with an expert final review at no extra cost. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for your account by simply click on the option sign up or create an account that you can see right over here. But if you already have an account, you can directly sign into your account. First of all you have to do is enter your phone number, email or user ID. Simply click on this box. Now simply enter phone number, email or user ID. Here I'm just going to enter the email. Now after entering it, all you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password. Or you can also log in with code if you want. All you have to do is click on the option text or code. After that you'll be able to get the code on your number. All you have to do is enter that code. After that you'll be able to log in. Or you can also log in with password. Simply enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after you enter the password, all you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now, after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in TurboTax account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.